Hey guys, Tech Made Easy. And in this review, the key message is don't let your lawn go dry. Keep that in mind. This is a really cool product that has tons of great reviews. And I've always wondered with my lawn outside when I needed to water it, right? Because you don't want too much water in your lawn, but you don't want it to go dry. And so, what this does is this actually tests your soil's moisture. It tests the pH level, which is good to do once in a while. And it also tests for sunlight. Now, I don't need the sunlight test. I am buying this mainly for the moisture test, okay? There's no battery required, and you can use this indoor and outdoor. So if you have flowers, in my case, I'm going to use it for my lawn. And, let's go ahead and crack this open. I am going to do some demos so you see this working, but let's pull it out and take it out of the packaging. All right. And yeah, there it goes. Now, it's got a switch in the front. So you've got moisture, light, and pH. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to be using it on the moisture, definitely. Okay, here it looks like a sensor of some kind. And your levels are here. So you have on the top bar, the white bar is for the light. All right, so it'll tell you dark to light. The middle is dry to wet with the red, green, and blue. And the bottom is your pH level going from alkaline all the way to acid. All right. And I don't know if it's in different areas that require different levels. All right. I'll try to get some information on pH because that is something you do want to check once in a while. Okay. I have an issue with my lawn. The thatch level's too high. So I've been working on fixing that, but I don't know. Anyway, so look at that. So you do get these guys. Now, I'm going to go into detail in a little while. I'm gonna show you some demos. We'll go over some key features, but I do believe it has to go into the lawn 2 to 4 inches, and it needs to be in there for about 10 minutes in order to give you a real accurate reading. All right, guys. So more to come. All right, these next couple of pictures I'm going to show you are some before and after pictures. I had a lot of problems with my lawn, but it was also mainly my fault, right? I wasn't watering enough. And honestly, in some cases, I was watering too much. So let's take a look at some comparisons of before and after. This first one is in my backyard next to my pool. Take a look at the next shot. I mean, what a difference, right? I mean, definitely a much healthier lawn. This is the other side of the yard where the pool is in my shed. I mean, again, take a look at that, right? Now look at this next one. Again, just so much better. And I know when to water. This next shot had issues with grubs, but again, I mean, it was super dry, right? Take a look at that. And obviously, the next one is going to be a huge difference. So, not easy, but it took some time. Here's the next one that's on the front lawn, right? Your pride and joy. What you show your neighbors. But anyway, big difference on this one here. Again, just being able to check the moisture level, make sure I water at the right times. Here's a bigger picture of the front lawn. Just a good patch of what it looked like and how bad it was. And obviously much, much better. All right, so I just wet a spot here to do a test, and you'll notice it's in a dry spot, and so the moisture meter is definitely saying that this area is dry, okay? But let me go ahead and move it over to the right where I just wet the lawn to see if it comes up that it is moist, all right? It should, actually go up. It looks like it did. They say it's supposed to sit for 10 minutes, but yeah, it's definitely showing blue, no, green, which is, not too bad. But yeah, so we'll see how this goes long term, but so far it seems to be working. And it does have all 3 settings. All right, guys, it just rained like crazy for a few minutes, not long. We haven't had rain in a while, so I've been watering the lawn, but I want to test this again. And I'm going to just try to push it in as deep as I can. And wow, I don't think it's been that green in a while, and I'd love to get it to blue, but that's much, much better. It's nice to see that this really works using it long term. Oh. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.